Do you know that this simple green vegetable you ignore every day can hydrate your body, cleanse your system, support your heart, and even improve your skin naturally? Stay with me because cucumber is more powerful than you think. Hello beautiful people, welcome to Empress Recipes where your health is your wealth. Today we are talking about something very common but highly underrated. Cucumbers. Many people eat it casually but don't know its powerful health benefits. What is cucumber? Cucumber is a green vegetable that belongs to the grown family, just like watermelon and pumpkin. It's made up of about 90 to 95% water, which makes it one of the most hydrating food you can eat. It can be eaten raw, added to meals, or even used in drinks. Cucumber may look simple, but it contains important nutrients and trace minerals your body needs. It contains vitamin C, which helps to support immunity. It also contains vitamin K, which supports blood clotting and bone health. Cucumbers are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. It is rich in magnesium, which supports muscles and nerves. It also has fiber, which aids digestion, and antioxidants, which helps to fight inflammation. Even though the amount is small, when taken regularly, they support your overall health. The following are the amazing benefits you get when you take cucumber. Hydration. Cucumber helps keeps your body hydrated, especially in hot weather. Support heart health. It contains potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. It aids digestion. Cucumbers contains water and fiber that helps to prevent constipation. It supports weight loss. It is low in calories but fill you up, perfect for those trying to lose weight. It improves skin health. It helps reduce dryness, support glowing skin, and may reduce puffiness. It helps detox the body. Cucumber helps flush out toxins through hydration. It supports bone health. Vitamin K in cucumber helps maintain stronger bones. It supports blood sugar control. It may help regulate blood sugar levels when added to a healthy diet. Who can take cucumber? Cucumber is generally safe and beneficial for adults, children, people trying to lose weight, people with high blood pressure, people with digestive issue. However, people with sensitive stomach should take it in moderation. How to consume cucumber? Eat it raw, wash properly, and eat it with the skin or without the skin. 2. Cucumber water. Slice cucumber and add to water. Very refreshing and hydrating. 3. Add to salad. Mix with tomatoes, carrots, or onions. 4. Blend as juice. Blend cucumber with ginger or lemon for a detox drink. 5. Smoothies. Combine with fruits like apple or pineapple. 6. You can take it as snacks. Eat between meals instead of junk food. Remember to always wash your cucumber thoroughly before use. Slice into round or cube shapes. Peel if necessary. This is optional. Chill for a refreshing taste. Combine with other healthy ingredients. Always ensure it is clean before eating. Here are important things to note. Even though cucumber is healthy, please do not overconsume. Wash properly to remove dirt or chemical. Avoid spoiled or bitter cucumber. Balance is key. Cucumber is simple, affordable, and powerful. When added to your daily routine, it can support your hydration, digestion, skin, and overall health. Start adding cucumber to your meals today. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Empress Recipes. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay healthy. See you in my next video.